In last lecture, we learned question number 1 and 2. Now we see question number 3. In this question, from the given information, find which of the following points is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state. First example, distance PR is equal to 7. Second, distance PQ is equal to 10. Distance QR is equal to 3. Friends, last lecture we see what is meant by collinear points. If 3 points lie on the same line, then these 3 points are called as collinear points. P dash Q dash R. Now, distance between last 2 ends means distance PR means addition of distance PQ and distance QR. Here also, greater distance means addition of 2 smaller distances. In this example, given to us greater distance, that is 10. 2 smaller distances, one is 7, another one is 3. If we do the addition 7 and 3, that is also 10. Therefore, there satisfy betweenness property. If these 2 distances is not equal to greater distance, then we say there is no satisfy betweenness property. Now, solution. First we take greater distance, that is distance PQ is equal to 10. Distance PQ is equal to 10. This is the first equation. Now do the addition of smaller distances, distance PR plus distance QR. Distance PR 7, distance QR 3. 7 plus 3, that is also 10. Therefore from 1 and 2, greater distance, that is 10. Addition of 2 smaller distances, that is also 10. Therefore greater distance is equal to addition of 2 smaller distances, means distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR. Therefore their point R lies between P and Q, that is P dash R dash Q. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पुन्हा एकदा सांगतो, जर 3 डिस्टन्सेस दिलेली असतील पैकी जो मोठा डिस्टन्स असेल, उरलेले 2 लहान डिस्टन्सेसची ऍडिशन इतका जर येत असेल तर त्याच्यात बिटवीननेस प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय होईल. आता कोणता पॉइंट कुणाच्या दरम्यान असेल तर मोठा डिस्टन्स पहा, त्याच्यात ऍब्सेंट असलेला पॉइंट म्हणजे त्यांच्यातला पॉइंट. Distance PQ is greater distance, and in this distance there is no R. Therefore, point R lies between P and Q. That is P dash R dash Q. Second example. In second example, given to us distance RS is 8. Distance RS equal to 8. Second distance ST is equal to 6. Distance RT is equal to 4. Friends, see here, 2 smaller distances, that is 4 and 6. An addition of 4 and 6, that is 10. 10 is not equal to 8. Therefore, there is no betweenness between these 3 points. Solution. First take greater distance, that is distance RS equal to 8. This is the first equation. Now do the addition of 2 smaller distances, distance EST plus distance RT. Distance EST 6, distance RT 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. This is the second. Therefore from 1 and 2, distance RS is not equal to distance EST plus distance RT. Means value of greater distance is not equal to addition of 2 smaller distances. Therefore there is no betweenness property. There is no betweenness. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जर 2 स्मॉलर सेगमेंटची ऍडिशन ग्रेटर येत नसेल तर त्यांच्यात बिटवीननेस नसेल. थर्ड एक्झाम्पल, डिस्टन्स AB इक्वल टू 16. Distance AB equal to 16, distance CA equal to 9, distance BC equal to 7. Distance AB equal to 16, second distance CA is equal to 9 and distance B to C is equal to 7. See here, greater distance, that is 16. Now addition of two smaller distances, that is also 16. Therefore they satisfy betweenness property, and we know greater distance, that is AB. Therefore point C is absent between A and B. Therefore point C lies between A and B. A dash C dash B. Solution. Distance AB is the greater distance. First we take greater distance. Distance AB equal to 16. This is the first equation. Now do the addition of two smaller distances. Distance CA plus distance BC. Distance CA, that is 9. Distance BC, that is 7. 9 plus 7, addition of 9 and 7 is 16. Second equation. Therefore from 1 and 2, distance AB is equal to distance CA plus distance BC. Therefore point C is between A and B. That is A dash C dash B. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नेहमी मोठा सेगमेंट तो पहा, त्याच्यात ऍब्सेंट असलेला पॉइंट म्हणजे त्यांच्या दरम्यानचा पॉइंट. बाकी जास्त विचार करण्याची गरज नाही. आता या क्वेश्चन मध्ये सुद्धा 6 एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत, सब क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. उरलेले 3 तुम्हाला स्वतः घरी सोडवायची आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ऑन द नंबर लाइन points A, B, C are such that distance AB equal to 10. Given to us distance A to C, that is 10. Second one, distance CB is equal to 8. And find distance AB. Distance AB is equal to question mark. Considering all possibilities. सर्वच्या सर्व पॉसिबिलिटीज आपल्याला कन्सिडर करायच्या आहेत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता या ठिकाणी किती पॉसिबिलिटीज येतील? आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल, जर आपण ए आणि बी यांचा इंटेरियर पॉइंट सी अज्युम करू, नंतर ए आणि बी यांचा एक्सटेरियर पॉइंट सी अज्युम करू. आता या ठिकाणी पहा, दोन पॉसिबिलिटीज तयार झाल्या. पॉइंट सी लाइज बिटवीन ए अँड बी. पॉइंट सी इज द एक्सटेरियर पॉइंट ऑफ ए अँड बी. Therefore here distance AC is 10, distance CB or distance BC is 8. Therefore we know greater distance. Greater distance means addition of two smaller distances. Distance AB is equal to distance AC plus distance CB. Why? Give the reason. A dash C dash B, because 3 points are collinear. Distance AB, we have to find distance AB. Distance AC, that is 10. Distance CB, that is 8. 8 plus 10, answer is 18. Length AB is equal to 18, or distance AB is equal to 18. Length and distance both are same meaning. Now in this example, greater distance, that is distance AC. Greater distance means addition of two smaller distances. Distance AB plus distance BC. We know value of AC is 10. Value of AB, we have to find AB. Value of BC, given to us value of BC is 8. Therefore 10 positive 8 in this side become negative 8. Therefore distance AB. Therefore simplification of 10 and 8, that is 2. Distance AB is equal to 2. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्झाम्पल A फाइंड करण्याची हे सुद्धा एक, परंतु पॉसिबिलिटीज 2. पॉसिबिलिटीज 2 कशा तयार झाल्या? तर पॉइंट सी हा जर आपण एक्सटेरियर घेतला तर डिस्टन्स वेगळं येतं. पॉइंट सी जर इंटेरियर घेतला तर डिस्टन्स वेगळं येतं. पॉइंट सी जर एक्सटेरियर घेतला तर डिस्टन्स वेगळं येतं. अशा पद्धतीने एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. आता याच एक्झाम्पल सारखं 5th एक्झाम्पल सुद्धा तुम्हाला घरून सोडवायचंय. पॉइंट एक्स वाय झेड आर कोलिनियर सच दॅट एक्स वाय इक्वल टू 17, yz इक्वल टू 8. फाइंड डिस्टन्स एक्स झेड. तुमच्या बुक मध्ये पॉसिबिलिटीज जरी विचारलेल्या नसल्या तरी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की पॉसिबिलिटीज ने सोडवा, म्हणजे त्याचे सुद्धा 2 उत्तरं मिळवा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. स्केच प्रॉपर फिगर अँड राईट द आन्सर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. स्केच करणे म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय तर फिगर ड्रॉ करणे. First example, A dash B dash C means 3 points are collinear. Point B lies between A and C. A dash B dash C. Given to us, length AC is equal to 11. Length BC is equal to 6.5. And now find length AB is equal to question mark. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, A डॅश B डॅश C याचा अर्थ त्याचा स्केच काय येईल? सरळ सरळ A आणि C च्या दरम्यान कुठेतरी B पॉइंट असेल. आता आपण करू काय? लेंथ AC गिवन टू अस, लेंथ AC डिनोट लेंथ AC इज इक्वल टू 11. लेंथ B to C that is 6.5 means B to C 6.5. आता विचार काय केला मी, 11 मधून 6.5 जर सबट्रॅक्ट केले तर नक्कीच हा सेगमेंट लहान असेल, म्हणून मी B कुठेतरी म्हणजे हा सेगमेंट मोठा दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. नाउ फाइंड लेंथ AB. वी नो ग्रेटर डिस्टन्स that is length AC is addition of two smaller distances AB plus BC. Why? Because these 3 points are collinear. A dash B dash C. Now substitute the values. Length AC given to us, length AC is 11. Length AB, we have to find length AB plus length BC 6.5. 11 minus 6.5. Therefore length AB equal to 4.5 units. Now second example. In second example, there are R dash S dash T means R S T 3 points are collinear. Let ST equal to 3.7. R dash S dash T. Sketch of R dash S dash T means R and T both are endpoints of segment, and S lies between these two. Here length ST equal to 3.7. S to T 3.7. Then R to S, length RS equal to 2.5. And third, find length RT equal to question mark. Friends, see here, whole segment that is RT and two smaller segments that is ST and RS means R to S. This is the smaller segment because 3.7 is greater than 2.5. Therefore R to S 2.5. Denote 2.5 is less than 3.7 means ST is greater than RS. Now find length RT. Therefore length RT means greater distance. Greater distance means addition of two smaller distances. Length RS plus length ST. Length RS 2.5 plus length ST 3.7. Give the reason R dash S dash T because 3 points are collinear. Therefore we do the addition between these two. 2.5 plus 3.7. Answer is 6.2. Friends, third example is your homework. Now question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? Question number 7. If we take A, B, C, these are 3 non-collinear points. If we draw a line from A to B, point A and B, another one line B to C, and third line A to C. 3 non-collinear points. A figure form 3 sides and 3 angles. A closed shape figure having 3 sides and 3 angles is called as a triangle. Therefore, such type of figure is known as triangle. Therefore, from 3 non-collinear point, which type of figure is formed? Therefore, this figure is a triangle shaped figure. Thank you, friends.